Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Kylie Cosmetics Holiday Collection for 2020, which is her Grinch collection. This collection is so cute, and I'm so excited to try everything out. Everything about this collection is absolutely perfect. She killed the packaging as always, and yes, I'm really excited to try everything out, so let's get started. I do have all of my face makeup on, and all the products that I have already on and that I will be using in this video will be listed down below in the description box, so you guys can go check that out. We're going to start out with the eyes. So this is the outside packaging of the eyeshadow palette, and all the names of the shades are on the back. There are 16 shades in this eyeshadow palette, and this is the palette itself. Again, all the names of the shades are on the back, and then they are also on the palette itself. On the top here we have this adorable mirror with like half of the Grinch's face, and then this is what the palette itself looks like. All the shades in here are so pretty, all green, obviously because it's a Grinch theme. So I'm starting out by priming my lids with some NYX Cosmetics concealer, and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush and just placing this all over my lids as a primer. Starting out with the shade Whoville. And I'm going in with a Morphe M441 brush and dusting this all over my outer corner and crease. Using a different Morphe M441 brush, I'm going into the shade Green and Mean, which is this matte green shade. And I'm just going to start to apply this to the outer corner and crease. And now I'm using a Real Techniques buffer brush. I'm going into the same green shade. I'm just going to apply that right over top where we just applied the same eyeshadow. But using this type of dense brush will really allow us to pack the eyeshadow on and make it look super deep and pigmented. The same brush, I'm going into the shade Stocking Full of Coal, which is this more brownish green shade. And I'm going to use this to deepen up the shadow that we already have on. I'm going back into the shade Green and Mean and replacing that right over top. I'm going back in with my concealer on another flat brush, and I'm just going to cut the inner half of my lids. So I'm placing this concealer starting at the inner corner and bringing it up towards my crease line and dragging it to about the midpoint on my lid. So over top of that concealer, we're going to add some more shimmery shades from this palette. I'm using the shade Last Can of Who Hash, which is this gorgeous green shimmery shade, and I'm using a Morphe M166 brush. I'd actually be better off using our finger for this instead, so I'm going to try that out because sometimes you get better pigmentation by using your finger, and we definitely do. I'm going to place this with my finger instead of a brush. Look at how gorgeous and pigmented that glitter is. There's not too much fallout either, so that's really nice. And I feel like using your finger rather than a brush, which wouldn't hold on to the eyeshadow as well, really helps prevent more fallout. And don't worry about getting it super close to your crease line. We can go back in with a brush afterwards. It's just so that the majority of it is super packed on and pigmented glitter. So that's why we use our finger for that. But we can go back in afterwards with the brush and get a closer application. So now using my brush, I am just tapping that as close to the crease line as I can get. And then going in with another flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going into the shade Who Pudding, which has like a slight shimmer to it, but it's not a glitter. And I'm placing that right on the center of the lid. Using another eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to kind of soften that shade into the matte shade that we had applied earlier. Using a Morphe M456 brush, I'm going into the shade Mount Crumpet, which is this glittery shade, and I'm just going to place that right on the very inner part of the lid. Kind of act as a highlight rather than having one solid glitter shade. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to go into this shimmery shade right here, and I'm going to place this on the inner corners and brow bone. I'm going to add some shadow to my lower lash line, so I'm going into the shade Snarled with a Sear, which is this brown shade, and I'm using a Morphe M506 brush, just dragging this along the lower lash line. And then I am deepening that up with the shade Old Grinch. But next up, I'm going to add some Tarte liquid liner and create a wing. So I'm drawing a straight line across my upper lash line and flicking this out. For lashes, I'm applying some Ardell Wispies, and then I'm also going to add some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. So I also did add some black liner just to my waterline. And now we can move on to the face. So I'm going to be trying out the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter and blush from the collection. Look at the packaging. It is so cute. The blush is in the shade Max the Reindeer, and this is what it looks like. It's a really bright pink matte blush. So I'm just going to apply some of this to the apples of my cheeks. Now the highlighter is in the shade Littlest of Poos. It's in a green packaging, and this is what it looks like. It's a gorgeous highlighting shade. You guys can see how pigmented that is. So I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. So for my lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner, and this is in the shade Paris. And I'm going to line my lips with this. To top that off, I'm going to use some high gloss. So the Kylie high glosses come in this cute little ornament this year, and it is so cute. And then they have like the tube on the back, and just like the packaging is just so good. Using the shade Sweet Like Candy Cane, which is this gorgeous pink lip gloss, and I'm just placing this right over top of that liner. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love this collection. I think it's so festive. The packaging is adorable, and I'm just overall really happy with it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video. You guys can also find me on Instagram at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So be sure to go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.